Hey everyone, Daniel from Twin Bytes with another tutorial for you. This time I'm going to show you how to move the Start menu in Windows 11 from the center over to the far left, which is how it used to be previously in Windows 7, which everyone loved. This was requested originally by Super Does Things, and this was something that was requiring a hack, and a lot of people are looking for registry hacks to try and make things work for things that have no option in Windows. This luckily now has an option available that Microsoft added in to a recent update, and I'm going to show you exactly how to change it. The quick way is right-click somewhere on a blank area of your taskbar and go to Taskbar Settings. This takes you straight to the Personalization section under Taskbar, and then if you go down a little bit, you'll see Taskbar Behaviors, which includes Taskbar Alignment. Click on that, and then just down one, you'll see Taskbar Alignment. It says Center, and you would just click in there and choose Left, and you'll see it immediately jumps over to the left. There's a lot of other options in here that we can cover, and if you are interested in learning about more of these things, please do comment below. Let me know what you're looking for. If there's any requests for anything else in Windows that you'd like to know, let me know and I'll give you a shout out and make a video just for you. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you did find it helpful. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Even better, give it a super thanks, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.